You bought an iPad thinking it'd revolutionize how you take notes, but then you opened the App Store and got hit with 50 apps claiming to be the best. Some charge monthly. Some limit you to 2 devices on their free tier. And some are so bloated, they take 10 seconds just to open a new note. I spent the last 2 weeks actually using the top free note-taking apps on iPad, testing real workflows, and here's what I found. There's actually only 1 or 2 that matter. Before we get into specific apps, let's talk about what actually matters. First is speed. Your note-taking app should be faster than writing it down by hand. Second is syncing. I need my notes on my iPad, phone, and laptop automatically. Third is reliability. If your app crashes or loses notes, it's worthless. And fourth is searchability. Notes that you can't find later aren't helpful. Everything else is bonus features. Keep those 4 things in mind as we go through each app. Let's start with the app that's already on your iPad. Apple Notes. And honestly, it's way better than people give it credit for. It's free, it syncs across all your Apple devices instantly, it's fast, and the search is actually decent. You can add sketches, photos, and formatted text. The big weakness is if you use Android or Windows. It won't sync there. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem, this is legitimately a solid choice. No monthly fee, no weird limitations. Just open, write, and it shows up on your iPhone instantly. If Apple Notes is the minimalist, OneNote is the organizer. It's completely free, syncs across literally any device: Mac, Windows, iPad, Android, web, and the structure is insanely flexible. You can create notebooks, then sections inside those notebooks, then pages inside those sections. For people who need to organize thousands of notes, this is powerful. The trade-off is it's slower to open than Apple Notes, and the interface is a bit busier. But if you're serious about actually organizing your notes into a system, not just jotting things down, OneNote is the better choice. Google Keep is great if you want absolute simplicity. It's basically digital sticky notes. Open, write, syncs to Google. No folders, no complexity. But it lacks serious formatting and is really meant for quick capture, not long-form notes. Then there's Obsidian, which is free for basic use, and absolutely powerful for people who want to link notes together like a personal Wikipedia. But it has a learning curve, and syncing requires either a paid subscription or manual setup. Both have their place, but they're really for specific people, not everyone. Let me be clear about something. All the free apps I mentioned will let you write text, add images, and sync to the cloud. Where they differ is in the details. Apple Notes lets you scan documents with your camera. OneNote lets you record audio inside notes. Google Keep lets you set reminders. Obsidian lets you create a web of linked notes. The most important question isn't which app has the most features. It's which features match the way your brain actually works. And that's different for everyone. Here's my recommendation. If you have an iPad and nothing else, or if you only use Apple devices, use Apple Notes. It's built in, fast, and you'll never pay a dime. If you bounce between devices, iPad, Windows, laptop, Android phone, use OneNote. It's the only free app that genuinely syncs everywhere. If you just want ultra simple and fast, Google Keep. And if you're trying to build a connected knowledge system, Obsidian. Don't overthink this. Pick one, use it for 2 weeks, and if it doesn't fit, switch. The barrier to switching is basically zero, so the stakes are low. The one complaint I have about all of them is this. They're all designed to capture notes, but none of them are really designed for reviewing notes. Most people take thousands of notes and never look at them again. The app that solves that problem, spaced repetition reminders, smart re-review suggestions, integration with your calendar, is the one that actually wins long-term. Right now, That app doesn't exist in the free space. So build the habit yourself. Your notes are only useful if you actually go back and read them.